of 10 standard maths, and today we are discussing on quadratic equations. Now, what is a quadratic equation? An expression with equal to sign like 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Then the highest power is 2. Now here the highest power is 2, therefore it is called quadratic equation. Okay, now it is written in general ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now what is a here? The coefficient with x square is called a. So a is 2. Then coefficient with x is called b. So b is 3. Then c will be the constant here, that is 5. Okay, so we got a, b and c value. Now what if I have here 2x plus 5 equal to 0? Okay, first tell me if this is a quadratic equation or not. This is not a quadratic equation because highest power here is 1. So this is not a quadratic equation. So we cannot include that in quadratic equation. Then suppose you have 4x square equal to 2. Now we have to write a, b and c value. So first I'll write a value. Okay, first I'll write it in general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now 4x square will be as it is. Now I have to bring this x term on this side. So this term is minus 2 equal to 0. I have brought everything on that side. Now whatever the coefficient of x square is called a. So a is here 4. Now coefficient of x is b. So tell me if here you have b. No, we don't have x term here. So b is 0. Then c is what? C is the constant here, that is minus 2. Okay. Now this is done. Now then the question arises like, check whether x plus 1 the whole square is an quadratic equation. Okay. First take x plus 1 the whole square. Now how to expand this? We know the formula a plus b the whole square. Okay, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply over here. Here a is x and b is 1. So x square plus 2 into a is x, b is 1 plus b square, that is 1 square. So x square plus 2 into 1 is 2 and then x plus 2. Now see here, can we write this into this equation? 2x x square plus 2x plus 2? Yes, because a here is 1, b here is 2, then c here is 2. So and a is not equal to 0. You should not get a equal to 0. Then this comes under quadratic equation. Now we will move on to the next part of this quadratic equation, that is finding the roots. First is by factorization method. Factorization method. Okay. Now, what is factorization method? Where you find the factors. Now we will take example. Suppose x square plus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now, for which coefficient we'll find the factors is the constant. Okay, we should take constant here. Now find the factors of the constant. Now what are the factors of constant? First is 1 and 6, then 2 into 3, then 3 into 2, and then 6 into 1. There are no other factors here, right? So now they are forming one pair, 1 and 6, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, and 6 and 1. Now we should take such a pair that while adding or subtracting we should get this 7. Okay, now which pair should we add or subtract, then we'll get 7? It is this or this, either this or this. Now what is the sign here? Plus 7, right? So we should take plus 1 and plus 6. So x square plus 1x plus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. See, first term and the last term I am writing as it is, okay? And in the middle we have plus 7x, right? So plus 1 plus 6 I have written in place of plus 7. And here you have x. So x and x, okay? Now, then next step is to form pairs, okay? Now what is common between these two? There are two x's here and there is only one x here. So one x we can take common. So this will be, here there were two x's from which one came out. So plus, here there are no x. So plus 1 will remove. Here see, 6 is common. So 6 into, there is no x common here because x should be for both this and this. So x plus equal to 0. Okay. Now this bracket and this bracket you should always get it as equal. Okay. Then only your answer is correct. This you write it only once, x plus 1. Now x plus c, whatever is remaining you can write it in another bracket equal to 0. So either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 6 equal to 0. Now x equal to 0, this plus 1 goes on other side, becomes minus 1. So x equal to minus 1. This same way for this, x equal to 0 minus 6, x equal to minus 6. So the roots of quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 6. So here we complete factorization method. And next method which you have is quadratic formula. In this, first you have is nature of roots. Okay, we have to get the nature of roots. Like first, by how to find nature of roots is by this formula: d equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, suppose you have one equation like, okay, d equal to b square minus ac. If d is greater than 0, then two distinct real roots. If d is equal to 0, then equal roots. Third, if d is less than 0, then no real roots. Okay, we see this with an example. Example is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now here what is the formula here? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now b square is minus 3 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 5. Now minus 3 square is 9. 9 minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 5 is 40. Now 9 minus 40 is minus 31. Now tell me if this is greater than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0. Definitely this is less than 0. So here d is less than 0. So no real roots. If you got d equal to 0, then it should be equal roots. And if we get this D is greater than 0, then two distinct real roots. Okay. Now, then we'll move on to the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is given by x equal to minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2a. Okay, we'll take one example here, that is x square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Then first, always the first step to go carry on with quadratic formula is finding the nature of roots. D equal to b square minus 4ac. B square here is 7. 7 square minus 4a is 1 here, and c is minus 60. 7 square is 49, and this will plus 240, and this will be 289. Now d is greater than 0, so you'll have two distinct real roots. Okay, now if you get d less than 0, then you should stop only here. Now we are getting d is greater than 0, so we'll move on with the problem. Now we are getting d is less than 0, sorry, greater than 0, so we are moving with the problem. Now the quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2. Now substitute the values. Minus b is 7 plus or minus root of d is 289 upon 2 into a is 1. So this will be minus 7 plus or minus 17. Root of 289 is 17. So upon 2. Now we should take one root with plus sign and other root with minus sign. So x will be equal to minus 7 plus 17 upon 2, and x equal to minus 7 minus 17 upon 2. So this will be minus 7 plus 17, 10 upon 2 equal to 5, and this will be minus 24 upon 2, that will be minus 12. So we'll write the roots of the equation, quadratic equation, is 5 and minus 2. So here we are done with two methods that is there for you. So thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel.